What was the primary reason for the initial British reluctance to accept the demand? Fear of Nehru opposition by Muslim League. Princely states objections. Lack of clear demand.
Lack of clear demand. The British initially hesitated to accept the demand for independence because the demand itself lacked clarity and a unified voice. There was no single, concrete proposal outlining the future governance of India. Different groups had differing visions, leading to significant internal disagreements amongst the Indian nationalists, making it difficult for the British to negotiate a concrete transfer of power. The lack of a clear and unified demand made the British wary of committing to a process with an uncertain outcome. Their reluctance stemmed from this ambiguity rather than a specific personality, group, or obstacle. Fear of Nehru. While Nehru was a prominent figure, British reluctance wasn't primarily driven by fear of him personally. Their concerns were systemic, about the overall stability of post-independence India. Opposition by Muslim League. The Muslim League's opposition certainly complicated the process and contributed to the partition of India. However, it wasn't the primary reason for the initial British hesitation. The initial reluctance predated the most significant demonstrations of Muslim League opposition. Princely states objections. The princely states' objections were certainly a significant factor later in the process, but the initial reluctance preceded their most vocal opposition. The lack of a clear overall plan from the Indian side was the more immediate concern.